The word we'll be learning in this section is tannaru, which you will often hear in conversations describing something basic or uncomplicated. For example, it's used to say things like, it was just a joke, or a mere formality. The word tannaru means mere or just. It's used to describe something that is simply what it appears to be, and not more significant or complicated. In many contexts, tannaru can emphasize the simplicity or basic nature of something. The first kanji means single or simple, like one unit or something alone. In the word tango, it gives the idea of a single unit of language, a single word. In the word tanjun, it gives the sense of being simple or not compound. It often shows the idea of singleness or simplicity in many compound words. It's just a word. それは単なる言葉です。それは単なる言葉です。This is just an incident. これは単なる事件です。これは単なる事件です。This is just a mood. これは単なる機嫌です。これは単なる機嫌です。That's merely an idea. それは単なる思いつきです。それは単なる思いつきです。The most common synonyms of the word tannaru are tadano and shimpuru. Tadano also means mere and is used to point out the plainness of something, often interchangeably with tannaru. On the other hand, shimpuru carries the meaning of simple, emphasizing straightforwardness without complexity. The most common antonyms of the word tannaru are fukutsatsu and konnanna. Fukutsatsu means complex or complicated, highlighting intricacy and multiple elements. Konnanna indicates difficult or challenging, often involving complications or various facets, as opposed to the simplicity suggested by tannaru.